What do you do, y'all? Welcome to my channel once more. Let's go for another session number 11. Let's see where we need to be. 135.66. Let's try to round it up to 136. Already tracking two tables. So 2120. Let's have the 2120. And we have number 1 and 2. And 1 and 2 is gone. And this one we have 14,128. 14,128. Okay, we have black odd. So that, and we have 21 neighbors. So you have black odds and 21 neighbors.
We have 26 black. For this round, the winning number is
26 black. It's a hit. Oh, no, it's not. So we're going to go for black odds and 21 neighbors by 5
Thank you.
is the play here.
And no more bets. Good luck.
Black odds and 21 neighbors. First spin. Right there. Okay, that's a hit. 21 neighbors. Nice.
I know 21 red. For this round, the winning
So,
number is
we're just going to continue with black odds. 21.
Place your bets. Thank you.
We also have unique numbers. So second spin, we're playing with 8 numbers here.
And betting time is now closing. Good luck.
Black odds, nice. So 135. Okay, so we just need to make 50 cents and we out.
For the spin, winning number 56 and doesn't. Congratulations.
Just need to make 50 cents and we out. So 11, 13, and 8. 11, 13, and 8. So this section hasn't been hit for at least 9 spins.
Best of luck.
So you could try 8 names. So 8. Okay, probably 11 is the best one. 24. 24 is gonna catch it.
We have 24 black. Number part of this section. Uneven, dark elements.
Okay, we got 13 neighbors by 6.
Please place your bets.
Missing for 10 spins. For this section of the wheel.
And no more bets. Good luck.
So you're playing with 13 numbers here. First spin. 34. Oh, 34 is a hit. Oh, nice. What a beautiful session. We're done. So 137.81. What a beautiful session. 137.81, I believe. Yeah, what a beautiful session. So in under 5 minutes, we made 5%. Every spin we played was great. And I wish every session was like this, but we already know that it doesn't happen all the time. But yeah, I'm grateful for this 5%. I'm going to hop out and probably later I'll come back for another session. Peace.